Hey students, what's up? It's Seth with SethPerler.com. I'm an executive function coach based out of Boulder, Colorado. So I help students navigate this thing called school. And students, today I have an interesting topic for you. And I'm going to talk to you about your ears. And the reason I'm going to talk to you about this, I just got done talking with somebody about this in the hallway here where I have my office. But students, I know you like to listen to loud music in your earbuds. I get it. That's how I grew up. And I grew up with headphones and listening to loud music a lot. I love music, as you can tell by my office. It is a huge part of my life. I play guitars, and I want to tell you what happened to me. So, I have now, today, what's called tinnitus. And tinnitus is a condition where my ears, there are many different levels of tinnitus, but basically for me, what happens is my ears believe that there is a sound that does not actually exist. So for me, I have about 6 different high pitches in my ears right this second, and I have them 24/7. Every second of every day, I hear these pitches. They go, and there's about 6 different ones that I can actually identify. I can find the notes on the guitar, although they're a higher octave than what my guitar can produce. But I can actually find the notes. But it is sometimes really annoying because it doesn't stop. Imagine you're trying to sleep and somebody's mowing the lawn outside all night long. Or imagine that you're sitting in a classroom and it's nice and quiet and it's peaceful and you're trying to read something and you hear this buzzing all the time. Some people have a chainsaw sound, some people have a lawnmower sound, some people have a low frequency. I have very high frequencies, and they're just constantly going. Some people have tinnitus. Now, not everybody gets tinnitus, but what I want to tell you students is how I believe I got mine. I play acoustic and electric guitars, and on the electric guitars, I play with amplifiers. I do not play with amplifiers very often anymore. And for about 20 years, I probably played with my amplifiers every day. So I would turn it up pretty loud. I like to turn it up. I like heavy music, rock and roll. And I would turn it up pretty loud and play a lot. And I think what happened is I believe they're called cilia in the ears, these little very tiny hairs that pick up the vibrations of sound and interpret the sound for you. They can get damaged. So I think that's probably why I have tinnitus nowadays, is probably from many years of that. And the whole purpose of this video is just to tell you that story. You can do whatever you want to do, but I really want to encourage you to think about your earbuds and how loud it is. I have some students, and sometimes I can tell what music they're listening to from their earbuds because it's so loud. And I try to tell them, but people don't like to take advice, so you can take it for what it's worth. I will also tell you that I wear the soft earplugs all the time when I go to something loud. Whenever I'm on an airplane, I put them in. Whenever I go to a concert or a show, I put those in my ears so that it deadens the sound and it's not so loud. Because if I don't do that, then anytime I leave a show, my ears are ringing for hours, like louder than they already do. So I believe that that's probably causing me more damage, so I really want to protect my ears. Our ears are so important. And as young people, you really, ideally, want to protect them. So I just wanted to share that story with you and really encourage you for no other reason. I don't even know why I made this video, except we were just talking in the hall, just to tell you this is real life. Had I known this was going to happen, I would have turned down my amplifiers. I would have worn earplugs more. I wouldn't have turned up my headphones so loud. I would have really protected myself in a much more conscious way than I did, and I can't change it. And I will probably have this condition for the rest of my life. Hopefully it doesn't get worse, because some people really struggle with this. Anyhow, again, my name is Seth with SethPerler.com. And I hope you students are doing awesome. I'll talk to you soon.